Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are fine. And guys, this video is gonna be very amazing for you because in this video I'll teach you how to create sign up form using HTML and CSS. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Open text editor first and save it. I'm gonna save it on my local disk E, okay, and we'll name signup.html. okay, as you can see guys that I have saved signup.html file on my local disk E. And now start HTML document and give it title sign up form, okay, and let heading 1 form and start new div tag. Guys, for getting input data from the users, we need to provide them input fields. For that, start input field, okay, and type will be text, name will be first and name, okay, and for last name input text and last name. Guys, input tag is singular tag because it doesn't have any kind of ending tag. So also need an input email field, okay, type will be email and name will be user email, and input field type is equals to password and name will be first password, okay, and this will also be password and name will be last password. And also required to know the gender of the user. For that, come here and give them name as well, female and other. I think it will be enough, and create button with type submit and output will be submit form. And also it's necessary to give them all name with span tag, like first name here and as well as here, and here will be email with span tag, and this will be select your gender, and this will be password, and it will be repeat password, and also requires br tag after them. Guys, as this tag is singular tag and it doesn't have any kind of ending tag, that's why we just simply add br, okay, and here as well Okay guys, I'm sure that this HTML step has been completed, and now save it by simply pressing Ctrl plus S, and let's see what browser tells about this file. Come here in the files directory and simply just double click on this file. This is our HTML file which I have created recently, and it's looking very dirty. You know guys, for decorating it we will use our CSS file. So come on the text editor and let's see how. Start new file and give it name style.css on the same directory, okay, and save it. First we'll need to link it with this our HTML file with name style.css and save it. Come here, and for whole body of HTML we choose padding 0 and margin will also be 0, and for h1 we will use h1 tag name simply, and text align will be center and margin top 3%. And for our div tag I'm using div, and width will be 50% and padding 4 pixel, okay, sorry, padding top, not only padding. And for our input fields I'm using input type is equal to text and input type is equal to email, and also input type is equal to password. Have you got it guys about these all? Let's see. This is our HTML document, and here is the input tag which I'm linking from this input tag, and type is here its attribute, and this is equal to text. And for this field I'm using input type is equal to email, and for this field I'm using input type is equal to password, okay. These all are here. And for all of them I'm using these code words, you know, width will be 100% and padding will be 15% and margin 5 pixel 24 pixel, and border will be none and outline will also be none, and background will be light gray, and they will be display in line block. And one thing more guys which I forgot, that is margin will be auto. And now it's time to save this file by pressing Ctrl plus S, and now execute this file by just simply clicking on it, double clicking on it. Yes, there we go. Oops, I'm so sorry guys because I forgot to decorate this button. Okay, so come on text editor and button, and its padding will be 14 pixel and 15 pixel. And for background color I'm using background green, and for border I'm using none property, okay. And for box shadow I'm using this. Okay, save it first by pressing Ctrl plus S and execute this file. from here. Yes. And one thing more guys that I have changed in this form, that is, guys, this code word is used to insert multiple spaces in HTML. Like if I insert in text editor space, HTML does not understand more than one space. That's why if I space here more than one space, it doesn't understand it. But this code word is used to specify space in HTML document. And now I wanna let it here 2 times, and here 1 time, and here as well, and here. Okay, and here as well. Okay, and save it, and let's see what browser tells about this page. Save it, open browser and refresh. Let's see. And one thing more guys, that I want to change my background. It's a simple background, but I want some other background, like letting picture on it. For that, come on text editor. For this I have changed some things in my style file. Let's see that things are this. Guys, here I have changed these settings, like padding will be 4 pixel and background image. In our style CSS file, background image is used to, and this URL is used to specify the URL of the image which will be in the background. Okay, and its size will be 100%. This 100% will be width, and this for height. And background repetition, I have used no repeat. And heading 1 and div and span tag, these all will be transparent in the background. Okay, so save it first by pressing Ctrl+S and open the browser. What browser tells about it? Let's see guys. I have these mountains picture. And one thing more guys, that this picture must be available in the directory where this file is available. Okay, like I have the image with name mountains and with extension .jpg, where I have write it here. And for changing writing style of span tag, we'll have to use this font family, and here I have used Arial black font family. Okay, and save it, Ctrl+S, and let's see the browser. Refresh it. Let's see guys, its writing is being changed. Okay guys, today's video has been finished, and we will meet in the next video. And in the next video I'll teach you how to validate this form using JavaScript. And validation will be live. When user will start typing here, we will validate our form that the user has given correct data. And guys, if you have any question regarding this video or anything else in your mind, you may ask in the comment section below, and inshallah I'll be on YouTube with your questions answered. Thanks for watching.